Hello peeps, this is just a very simple short video to show you about manifold bolts. Now this is a Series 3 Land Rover and I'm getting this Land Rover manifold off, and if you see, let me just get a bolt. This is what they're like. This one happened to come out of here. They look not so bad, but I just wanted to show you something. Now, you might get 80% of these are good, and then you might get one that's bad. I've got a bad one here now, where I am here. Now, I've started to unloosen this, and this might snap now. I just want to show you how I do these things. It's not a trick, but it's something you just got to be very, very careful what you're doing. So, it's starting to go. But I can got that feeling, you can just feel it. It's still tight. So, just move it back and forward. And do a little bit more every time. I can feel it going tight there again. You might think this isn't worth it. But if you've had to drill out a manifold bolt, this is worth it, believe you me. It's going tight again there now. And the trouble is the thread is right up in there. The thread is about 2 inches away, so you can't get no oil to the thing, see? You can get it to the ones on the front here, by there. But you can't get none to these, because there's like 1.5 inches amount until you get to it. So just keep going slowly. This could snap yet. It's starting to go tight again. Don't risk it. Just keep going like that, and then you'll feel it sort of release. If you could feel this here now, it feels like it's on the verge of snapping off. But I am getting it further all the time. I wish I could get some WD-40 in there. Oh, God. See there? If I put WD on it, look. It's not going in because I can't get in there. So you just got to keep going like that. Just got to keep going. So tighten her up again. This will heat up the thread a little bit because of the what do they call it? Oh, it's gone out of my head now. That is going. I wish you could feel this. This is going really tight now. I'm slightly worried about this bastard, but ooh, gold. See, we have barely got it out. We got it about 1 millimeter, but we're just going to have to keep going like this. If I start to push this too far, that's going to snap off. I can tell you now for a fact. And then we're going to have to get a drill in there, drill all this out. Oh. Believe you me, if this does snap off, it's in a world of hurt, especially back there. That's it, we got him now. You can feel it, the tension has gone off. And when I take this out, I'll show you what the thread will be like. If I'd have just continued to put pressure on there, that would have snapped off. 100% sure. 100% sure. and there might be another one here that might have the same treatment. So I just thought it would be, is it a tip? I suppose it is a bit of a tip. Sometimes you've just got to listen to your own brain, and instead of having a torque wrench, you've got your finger here. You know when there's so much pressure going on there, and you've just got to stop it and go backwards, even if it's only a couple of millimeters, and you will eventually get this. You can see this is coming now, thankfully. This is why I didn't want to film this, because but as I was doing it, I thought it's actually a good tip for somebody. You've just got to use your fingers like a torque wrench. There we are. Let me just show you that there now. If you can see that there, that would have snapped off, 100% for sure. You can just tell by it. It's just got that look about it. So, see, all that stuff I sprayed didn't get anywhere near that bit. So you've just got to just go for, say, undo it a little bit if it'll move, and then back a bit. Undo a little bit, back a bit. Just keep going like that until that goes bigger. And then eventually, as you saw, it'll get to a point where you can do a full revolution, and it'll usually come out then. But just take your time. So that is how to get stuck studs, exhaust studs out of a engine block. This is a over 40-year-old engine block, probably near a 43 to 45-year-old engine block that this has never come out of. I never saw my dad take this off. So this has been under the hedge for 20 years. And we got one nasty one to get out there, look. Yeah. And I don't even think I can get the socket on that. So this is going to be, at least that one's got a nut on. So there's one there, look. Again. Sorry, the light isn't very good here, but where my finger is down there, there's another one of them there, look. Now these are nasty ones to get out. So, if you like that tip, comment, like, and subscribe. All the best, guys.